Yo, what's up, everyone? I went to my local Walmart after work today, hoping for the best. See, they come on Fridays, the vendors do, to stock the shelves, and usually when I get there, well, the past couple weeks, since the Top Chrome came out, at least, it's been empty. And I get there today, and the shelves were full, so that's good. I got a couple things of each. I got one of these. I got two Elite boxes, football boxes. I got some more Topps Chrome, just a couple, and I got some Donruss Optic Fat Packs, and I also got a new Absolute box. So I just got two items of pretty much everything they had, but there was plenty there. I mean, there was a lot there compared to normal. So I was pretty fortunate today, and I'm just going to open up one of these prestige boxes in this video, just keep it nice and short. So let's just get started opening it. I haven't opened one of these yet, so I'm real excited about the memorabilia card in here. It's been a while since I've opened some football cards. I guess at least a week or so, I guess. That's not too long. But let's get started with the first pack. Max Crosby, Daniel Jones, we got Jamal Adams, Matt Ryan, Austin Ekeler, Riley Ridley, we got Mark Gastineau, old school, this refractor, whatever it's called, very nice, and a Tony Jones Jr. rookie card. On to the second one. This feels pretty thick. It is. It's very thick. I could tell the difference immediately. We got Alvin Kamara, Aaron Jones. Alright, I got interrupted. Lamar Miller. We got Phillip Rivers in the Colts jersey. That's cool. Damontae Kazee, and here it is. We got Matt Ryan, league leaders, 408 completions jersey. Matt Ryan, that's cool. We got Christian McCaffrey highlight reel. Jordan Love, that's a rookie card. And that's it from that pack. Third pack. That'd be cool if that wasn't our only memorabilia card in the box, but I doubt that'll happen. That'd be cool. I've never seen it. I've never had it happen, at least, before. Darren Waller. There's Kyle Rudolph. Marquise Brown. Christian Kirk. Raheem Mostert. Clayton Geathers. We got Darius Juice and Josh Uche. It's a rookie card. Played for Michigan, I guess. Next pack. Jamison Crowder. Chris Carson. Will Grier. Ed Oliver. Preston Williams. Got the Odell Beckham Jr. card. Very cool. What is this? Aaron Donald Powerhouse. Insert. Darrington Evans rookie card. And that's it for that one. Guess there's not very many inserts in these. I mean, that's cool. Like one per pack. Seth Roberts, Avery Williamson. We got the Drew Brees, Julio Jones, Uchenna Nwosu, Dak Prescott, Myles Garrett. This is blue, I guess. Blue. And Nate Stanley rookie card. Let's see what that is. Yep, blue. Alright. Devontae Adams. Minka Fitzpatrick. Keelan Doss. We got the regular Myles Garrett. Miles Sanders. Larry Fitzgerald. What is this? London Games. Carlos Hyde. Worldwide. Carlos Hyde Worldwide. Becton. And that's it. I forget they put that insert at the end. Alright, 2 more packs and then we're done. Danielle Hunter. Got the Lamar Jackson, that's cool. Nice card there. Sam Darnold. Jimmy Garoppolo. Tyrann Mathieu. Cole Beasley. Got another powerhouse. Christian McCaffrey, blue. So the blue powerhouse, Christian McCaffrey. And Adam Trautman. Last pack. Let's make it count. Jaron Brown. We got Ryan Tannehill. Jalen Ramsey. Josh Rosen. Got the Baker Mayfield. Takkarist McKinley. Inside the number, Chris Goodwin. And the last card is turned around. What does that mean? Huh? Nothing. Antonio Gandy Golden. Rookie card right there. Alright, so we got the memorabilia card. It's Matt Ryan. It's not bad. I'll take it, of course. Got Lamar Jackson. It was a decent break, I think. So, thank you everybody for watching, and everyone have a good one.